A house. A bridge. A page. 7. 8. 9. Is there an orange in the fridge? Yes, there is. Is there a blue page in this book? No, there isn't. Is there a bridge in this city? Yes, there is. Is there a fridge in the kitchen? Yes, there is. Is there a house in the picture? No, there isn't. Oranges. Bridges. Fridges. Pages. Horses. Offices. Houses. Are there 8 fridges in the picture? No, there aren't. Are there 7 oranges on the dish? Yes, there are. Are there 8 houses in the picture? Yes, there are. Are there 9 bridges in this city? No, there aren't. Are there 3 pages in this book? Yes, there are. Is there a house in the picture? Yes, there is. Are there 7 oranges on the dish? Yes, there are. Are there 9 pages in this book? No, there aren't. Is there a new house in this city? No, there isn't. Are there 8 bridges in this city? No, there aren't.